Welcome back. In this video, I'll be solving Leetcode problem 23, merge k sorted list. You're given an array of k linked lists. Each linked list is sorting in descending order. Merge all the linked lists to one sorted linked list and return it. Okay, so I can have multiple of the same. And why would this be? This doesn't look that hard to me. So k is length, it could be 0. Okay, so let's have head, which will be equal none, and well, I have lists. I'll use L1 is I have given array of k linked lists. Well, while flag I can do this flag. So best will be equal -1. So for list in lists, if list is not equal none, well, if it's equal none, let's do it like this. If this is none, then continue, then go to the next one. Okay, so if it's not none, then we have something to check. Okay, so if best is minus equal -1, if best is -1, then best is equal, well, for I in a range length of lists, yeah. Let's try it out, and I can see minor optimization. So if best is -1, then best is like an index, right in range. If list of I is non-continuous, then if best is this, then this. If best if so now it's safe. If lists of best dot value is greater than lists of I, lists of I value, then best is equal I again. Okay, so now I do the full circle, and I could have dropped those that are empty, but I will not do that for now. I have my best, so if best is equal -1, that means that there is nothing. That means I can break, and I should return head. And I'll have current none. So that's that part. Now I have to update with build new node plus forward with one used. So node is equal node of lists of best dot value so I made a new node. If head is equal none, then head is equal node. And current is equal node. Else, if head already exists, then current dot next is equal this node, and current is equal node. That's this part. And now traverse with the one that was used. So lists of best is equal lists of best dot next, and I think this should work. Node, let's not possibly, yep. Okay, will this time out? Actually won't. Okay, so nice that it's working, but let's not make it this bad. So if to remove will be a list, if lists of I is equal to remove dot append I. And here I'll do cleaning. So for into remove, for remove into remove, lists dot remove and I remove index. Will this work? This? Okay. Well, maybe. Maybe not. Let's forget about cleaning. Why is not work so hard? But this is also a bit, yeah, I'm not sure how. Let's remove this, so, because I'm not sure what popping does. Okay, so we got this working. Did I have better submission? Okay, so I have a much better submission. I suppose problem with this one is that we are creating and do I need to create the node? I guess not. So let's maybe try to. So I don't want to use new node. That means I'll use lists of best. Head node is this node. And current node is this node. And if it's not, then current node next is lists best, and current is lists best. I think even this is enough. So I find the best, I say head is, I said previous one, next is this. Okay, I just fix the connections in between. So I think this should work also, and this should be a lot better. So even building new nodes doesn't work. I'm not sure. Let me see what did I do here. So for I in range line list node is lists of I, well node, well appends. I traverse with a node and I do this. Turn on. And someone is telling me that this is much faster. But how is this? Well, I'm just taking kind of it's true, but yeah. Well, I don't like that solution either way. I like this one more, so I use no space, and that's nice. But yeah, also solid solution. Lie. Well, even my time complexity should be. So I have to sort everything over there. So my complexity is k list length. That's so k for sure. For sure it's k, and that's how many lists I have. So that's this for loop. And I do it times length, max length of the list, max list length, so something like this, space complexities of 1. And you're saying that this is worse than sorting? I kind of don't believe it. And how am I doing often? What? This is not often. I just have head and current, nothing else. I'm not sure what's that one about. NK. And NK is worse than nlog. Okay, guess so. But I'm satisfied with this one. And I think space is wrong because this should be off 1. Yeah, okay. That's all I got for this one. If you have any questions, leave them in comments. I appreciate you for following, and see you in the next video.